While creating a dream team is a goal for many, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and explore actionable rules that will make a tangible difference in your financial journey. Rule 1. Prioritize diversity. It's not just a buzzword, it's the key to robust decision-making. A dream team should consist of individuals with different strengths, backgrounds, and perspectives. Think of it like assembling a financial Avengers team. Each member brings their unique superpower to the table, enhancing your ability to tackle financial challenges from all angles. Rule 2. Communication is absolutely essential. It's not just about talking, it's about effective, open, and frequent communication. Regular team meetings, crystal clear goals, and a culture of transparency create a collaborative environment where ideas and concerns flow freely. This isn't just a touchy-feely concept. It's the practical foundation for making informed financial decisions and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Next, Rule 3. Define roles and responsibilities. If everyone's the captain, the ship will sink. Clarify who does what to avoid overlaps and conflicts. It's not just about making sure everyone has a seat. It's about defining who's got the wheel, who's navigating, and who's keeping an eye on the sails. This practical clarity streamlines cooperation and boosts efficiency. Rule 4. Trust your team. Micromanagement might give you a false sense of control, but it'll stifle your team's potential. Trust your team's abilities and decisions, and you'll see how their autonomy and expertise lead to better financial outcomes. It's not just a feel-good notion. It's a real strategy for success. Rule 5. Embrace accountability. No one likes the blame game, but everyone should own their part. Accountability is the glue that keeps your team committed to financial objectives. When you know you're responsible for something, you're more likely to put your best foot forward. It's practical and goal-oriented, ensuring everyone's pulling their weight. Lastly, Rule 6. Foster continuous learning. The financial world evolves rapidly, and your dream team needs to stay ahead. Keep up with industry trends and developments to remain at the forefront of financial strategies. It's not just about learning, it's about staying competitive in the financial game. In summary, building a dream team for financial success isn't about vague notions, but practical, actionable steps. Prioritize diversity, master the art of communication, define roles, trust your team, embrace accountability, and keep learning.